Okay, everybody. You want to hear a real burp? Check this shit out. Whew. It's gonna be good.
I'm never gonna let us out if you're alive.
Now that's a burp.